In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, businesses face growing challenges. Disconnected systems leading to inefficiencies, a lack of real-time visibility into operations, high downtime and unpredictable maintenance costs, difficulty upskilling workers to use advanced technologies, excessive paperwork and manual logging on the shop floor. These problems slow you down, cost you money, and hold you back from achieving your full potential. Meet DFOS, the Digital Factory Operating System. Built to tackle your biggest manufacturing challenges head-on, DFOS is your key to unlocking a smarter, more connected factory. DFOS seamlessly integrates man, machine, material, and methodology, creating a connected ecosystem for operational excellence. DFOS provides live data dashboards, real-time visibility of data on your fingertips, gathering of all data of your different processes at one place. With AI-driven predictive maintenance, DFOS anticipates problems before they occur, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Capture of granular data from shop floor. DFOS simplifies processes with intuitive interfaces and tools, empowering your teams to adapt, learn, and thrive. The result: up to 30% improvement in operational efficiency, enhanced transparency for smarter decision-making, making your factory Industry 5.0 ready and Lighthouse Factory enabled. Sustainable, scalable growth for your factory. Drive operational excellence. Empower your workforce, all without disrupting your existing setup. DFOS, disrupt without disruption.